Good morning, Atifa. How do you do? Good morning, Ranjit. I am doing great. Thank you. And what about you? I am okay. By the way, you had been absent several days. What happened to you? I had been suffering from common cold and fever. Oh, you missed a good many classes? Yes, it is, but my mom tried to back it up at home. By the way, you all enjoyed the classes, didn't you? Yeah, but we missed you lots of. Have you heard about our first annual sports? My pleasure. I missed all of you too. Yesterday, I heard about the sports. Of course, you'll be enjoying it greatly. You know, I like to play magic, cheer, running, football, and so on. And what about you? Well, running is also my favorite one. Besides, I like to play football, discuss and so on. Nice to talk to you. Thanks for giving your time. My pleasure. I like to talk